lie to us because it's subtle. They want us walking through so many puddles. They set the world up for you to struggle. Most of us could use a body double. Body double. You can't catch somebody else's troubles, even if you bundle through the rubble. In life we tumble through the puzzle, 'cause we're gullible. From birth you've been shown deception, your mind blunted like medieval weapons. It's uncomfortable through the hustle, but acceptable.
You're the one in power, mystical endower, meditating within after hours. You are the humble Howard.
The meek hold all the flowers, judging others is the path to sour. They lie to our face because it's subtle. They wonder why we lost so many brothers. We stepped in one too many puddles. Why we lost so many others. They lie to our face because it's subtle. They wonder why we lost so many mothers. We stepped in one too many puddles. We turn to inner home. The truth is never left untunneled. They can't keep us all in chains and muzzles. Desperate to reclaim your righteous hunger, walking in the steps above the sunder. It makes you wonder who would blunder. Only souls deep and under. It makes the thunder sound like hunters, but they come in peace with numbers. They hide the truth in plain sight, subtle, mocking us in plain sight, subtly. We gotta stick together and huddle. The riddle asks the cheat code humbly. They hide the truth in plain sight, subtle, mocking us in plain sight, subtly. We gotta stick together and huddle. The riddle asks the cheat code humbly. They lie to our face because it's subtle. They wonder why we lost so many brothers. We stepped in one too many puddles. Why we lost so many others. They lie to our face because it's subtle. They wonder why we lost so many mothers. We stepped in one too many puddles. We turned to inner home.